Why are you broke? Let's make a cute little fall-inspired pumpkin smoothie before I go on my walk today. And also talk about the Tulip Bubble and like the birth of the stock market. So imagine this, it's the 1600s in the Netherlands and tulips are the hottest commodity around. Yes, you heard that right, flowers. People were so obsessed with tulips, they were willing to trade their entire life savings for a single bulb. Welcome to the story of the Tulip Bubble, the world's first recorded financial bubble, and the origins of the stock market. To give some background, in the 1600s, tulips were this exotic flower in Europe, imported from the Ottoman Empire. Their vibrant colors and unique patterns made them a luxury item, and soon everybody wanted a piece of the action. Imagine if Gucci bags suddenly became more valuable than gold. That's what happened with tulips. Also, it was literally just a way to show off wealth. Aligning with common supply and demand, as demand grew, so did prices. People from all walks of life started investing in tulip bulbs, hoping to strike it rich. With farmers, merchants, and even nobles were caught up in the frenzy. It wasn't long before tulip bulbs were traded like stocks, with contracts them being bought and sold at dizzying speeds, and prices going up and down. If you haven't realized yet, we've had a few different types of, bubbles appear throughout our lifetime. In 2008, you had oil, following the recession. You also had biotech in 2015, Bitcoin around 2016, 2017. Actually, a lot of people are predicting a stock bubble is occurring right now, and in 2025, we're going to watch stocks collapse. Will it happen? Will it not? I don't know. Markets are volatile, and we have no clue what's happening most of the time. I accidentally dropped this spoon into the garbage disposal the other day, and you probably can't see this, but I have like a bunch of little marks on it, and it's like low-key sharp now because of it, and I just realized that because I grabbed it weird. The main thing to know is depending on the risk in your portfolio will determine how big of a loss or hit you take. You have more of a defensive, like beta, which I know, beta is risk, by the way. But if you have more defensive, like stocks like Coca-Cola, you're probably going to be on the happier side of things. If you follow the market, so if you're investing in like index funds or index EFTs, you're probably going to be good. If you're just going to follow the market risk, and usually the market always bounces back. We have yet to have a time in history where the market hasn't came back. Did you know that pumpkin is a superfood? I didn't know that until today, when I read this can right here. So the thing about bubbles is that they burst. This one, the tulip bubble, was bound to pop. In 1637, tulips suddenly crashed. Within days, bulbs had been worth prices of a house were now almost worthless. The crash left many people bankrupt and took the Dutch economy to its core. It was a harsh lesson in the dangers of speculative investing and volatile markets. Basically, avoid speculative investing, please. Around the same time, the concept of stocks were being born. The Dutch East India Company, one of the world's first multinational corporations, needed a way to fund its vast trading expeditions. To raise money, they started selling shares of their company to the public. Investors who bought these shares became part owners of the company and were entitled to a portion of its profits. The idea caught on, and soon other companies were doing the same. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange, established in 1602, became the world's first official stock exchange. It was like the birth of Wall Street, but with clogs and windmills. While the Dutch East India Company played a pivotal role in the development of modern financial markets, it's essential to acknowledge its darker side. The company was involved in exploitation, slavery, and violent colonization practices that caused immense suffering and disruption to indigenous populations. The tulip bubble and the origins of the stock market teaches several valuable lessons that are like vital and relevant today, especially if we're predicting an oncoming bubble. Beware of hype. Just because something is trendy doesn't mean it's a good investment. Always do your research before diving in. Like, don't follow the hype. Follow what you like and what you believe in. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money into one asset. Spread your investments across different sectors to minimize your risk. Beware and be cautious of speculations. You don't want to be a speculative. Investing based on speculation could lead to huge gains, but it can also lead to huge losses. Making informed decisions based on solid information is the way to go. Understand market volatility. Markets can be unpredictable. Be prepared for the ups and downs, and don't panic during downturns. Word. Oops. Today's stock market is much more sophisticated, but the basic principles still remain the same. Whether you're investing in tech, sports, cryptocurrencies, or NFTs, the lessons from the Tulip Bubble still apply. Some things to keep in mind is make sure you're always staying informed, keep up with financial news and trends. Knowledge is power. It will help you make better decisions. Also, think long term. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It literally is about timing the market. Patience and perseverance are key. Seek professional advice. Don't be afraid to consult with financial advisors or people that you know have better financial knowledge than you to make better informed decisions. Let me pour in some milk. Add in some cinnamon and some pumpkin spice. Be a little bit more pumpkin spice. Y'all, I can't help it. I'm white, okay? I am so happy it's fall. I really need to find somebody to take me on cute little fall dates. Until then, it's like my friends are doing that for me. And I to stop changing my location on Hinge to Italy, thinking I'm gonna find an Italian man that's gonna teach me Italian, and then fly all the way over here and marry me because, you know, delusion is too real. So never get rid of your age limits on Hinge. I did that for a while, and like honestly, the men that are older are really weird. Don't do it, not worth it. The story of the Tulip Bubble's fascinating moves into the days of financial markets and a reminder of the timeless principles of investing. By learning from our past, we can make smarter, more informed financial decisions today. Oh my god, she's not coming. Wait, stop, that's what he said. So cheers, babe, to our financial health and future wealth. Oh my god, it tastes just like pumpkin pie. Fuck.